I'd like to sing for you a song I wrote called Let Me Open Up My Eyes. But first, let me read from Psalm 139. For you created my inmost being. You knit me together in my mother's womb. I praise you because I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Your works are wonderful. I know that full well. My frame was not hidden from you when I was made in the secret place, when I was woven together in the depths of the earth. Your eyes saw my unformed body. All the days ordained for me were written in your book before one of them came to be. Let me live, let me open up my eyes, let me live. Let me see my first sunrise, let me smile, let me take my first breath, let me feel. Let me take your hand in mine. Let me be the person God has called me to be, and God will help us. Together we'll be a family. There's no mistake that God cannot fix. There's no hurt that He cannot heal. So together we will face whatever comes with the help of God. We will overcome. There's forgiveness in the blood of Jesus Christ. You can start anew. Please let me live. Let me live. Let me see tears in your eyes when I first smile, first walk, first call you mine. Let me live. Let me open up my eyes. Let me live. Let me see my first sunrise.